Peregrine falcons are recognized as some of the fastest creatures on the planet, renowned for their jaw-dropping diving technique. When they swoop down to strike their prey, they do so with mind-blowing speed and pinpoint precision. This remarkable hunting style not only sets them apart but also makes them incredibly effective predators in the wild. Transitioning from their impressive speed, these birds display a remarkable level of adaptability by hunting a diverse range of prey. From other birds to bats and even insects, their ability to thrive in various environments showcases their versatility. This adaptability is a key factor in their success as hunters, proving that they can conquer almost any challenge that comes their way. Moreover, the falcon's behavior of storing leftover prey for later munching is a clear sign of their intelligence and resourcefulness. By having a backup food supply, they ensure they won't go hungry over time. This strategic mindset really highlights their survival skills, showing that these birds are not just about brute force but also about smart planning. Speaking of speed, did you know that these magnificent falcons can reach astonishing velocities of over 240 miles per hour? That's not just fast, it's a testament to their incredible aerodynamics and hunting prowess. Their unmatched agility in the air allows them to outmaneuver almost anything, making them the rulers of the skies. Now, let's take a detour to the harsh desert habitat where the red-tailed hawk battles various threats. This unforgiving environment is home to venomous creatures that constantly challenge its survival. In this tough landscape, the hawk's resilience and cunning are put to the test, proving just how tough these birds really are. In an interesting twist, the red-tailed hawk uses a risky yet clever tactic to provoke snakes into striking. This bold maneuver not only showcases its courage but also its tactical approach to hunting. It's a striking example of how intelligence and bravery go hand in hand in the wild. Primarily, red-tailed hawks are on the lookout for small mammals, and they excel at using their sharp talons and beaks to capture and consume their prey. This relentless hunting prowess really shines through in the footage, capturing the fierce reality of the predator-prey relationship. Switching gears, let's talk about Harris hawks, which stand out from other birds of prey thanks to their unique cooperative hunting techniques. They team up to effectively take down prey like jackrabbits. Watching this teamwork in action is absolutely fascinating and adds a whole new layer to our understanding of avian behavior. Finally, we delve into the martial eagle's formidable hunting capabilities, as illustrated by its dramatic attack on a baby impala. This intense scene highlights the harsh yet captivating nature of wildlife interactions, revealing the intricate complexities that define the animal kingdom. It's moments like these that remind us of the raw power and beauty of nature.